So hello everyone, this is the question number 21. It was asked in GATE 2025 Mechanical Engineering. So this is a 1 mark question and belong to engineering material subject, or in precise we can say that joining process. Okay. So what it is saying, the welding process commonly used for fabricated tailored welded blanks of dissimilar thickness. So we have to highlight that they are saying dissimilar thickness, okay, for automated application. So they are saying like in short what we call TWB, so tailor welded blanks. Okay, you can find more concept related to this question by using this NPTEL reference link. Okay, now let's solve the problem. So there's as we know that TWB, so in short we are calling TWB, tailor welded blanks, TWB, are sheet of different thickness or graded joined together before stamping. Okay, so what is meaning of different thickness? Different thickness means like we are having two sheets. So like it is having thickness T1 and other one I am having thickness T2. Okay, so they are having T1 is not equal to T2. So they are different thickness sheet. Okay, so by using what is meaning of TWDS? TW means they are two sheet. So sheet 1, sheet 2 and having different thickness. Okay, now as we know that in automotive industry we prefer laser welding. Okay, so why they have we are having three more important advantage. First one, it will give high precision, and also it is providing narrow heat affected zone. What is meaning of narrow heat affected zone? Like for example, when we are building two plates, so this is plate 1 and this is plate 2. Okay, so for example we are building here, so because we are putting some heat, so this heat will spread in some area like near to that heat affected zone. So this heat affected zone is less. Okay, so like for example, if we are building in 2 mm, so the effect will not go beyond like 3 mm. So okay, because this is very important properties when we are doing building. Okay, second one, ability to join dissimilar thickness and grades. Okay, so as I already explained, like when we are having different thickness T1 T2 and by using this laser welding we can join dissimilar thickness sheets. Third one, high speed, because as we know the laser welding is very very fast process. So as we know in automation we require, like in automobile we require very fast production. So what we can say, it is used for high speed production. Okay, like they have given other option like gas, arc or friction are not typically used for TWBS in automatic mass production, because they take more time. So but in automatic we want like our production should be fast. Okay, so what we can say that in when we are building two dissimilar thickness plates in automative we will use laser welding. So our option B will be correct. You can also find more concept related to this question by using this NPTEL reference link. Thank you.